What is going on, guys? So it has been such a long time since I've made a video. It is like 4:45 in the morning. I'm about to get a workout in. I'll see you guys after. Just got done with that workout. Today was chest and triceps. It felt really good. A great way to start my day. So yeah, it's been a long time, guys. It's been a really long time. And I think it's been about 5 weeks since I made a video. And I believe the last video that I made was when I took my car to the shop. Finally got my car back after 5 weeks. It was a long time, but she looks brand new. I'm very happy with how they were able to fix her up and everything, so I'm super stoked to get her back. But I thought I'd make a video to kind of catch you guys up on what has been going on in my life for the last 5 weeks. It's been a long time. You know, when your wife starts asking you where the heck are your YouTube videos, you know you really need to like get back in it and make YouTube videos. So thought I would catch you guys up. So this video might be a little bit longer, just a lot of me talking about what has been going on, how am I feeling, how my journey is going. If you guys follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, you know I'm still doing things. You may know like some of the stuff that I'm about to talk about, but I thought I would make a video just to kind of like give you guys an overview of what has been going on in my life in these last 5 weeks, because I feel like it's been kind of crazy, honestly. One of the big things is just my health, my overall health. I've been having a few things going on, and I've been to a couple different doctors to see like what's up. One of the things that's been going on is dizziness and just an overall feeling of just almost like in a fishbowl. Like when I was driving, I would have to like really focus and concentrate on what I was doing. I couldn't like look around or anything like that. And I just felt very disoriented and not myself. And then a couple of times I would get vertigo where it felt like the earth was like seriously like shifting and tilting, and it lasted for like 30 seconds to a minute, and then I would feel really nauseous and feel really sick. So that happened a couple times. Ended up going to my ENT, which is the ear, nose, and throat doctor. He's the one that did my sinus surgery a couple years ago. And they did since I had vertigo, they did a hearing test, found out that I had a little bit of hearing loss in like low tones, and which is interesting because normally when you lose your hearing, it's the higher tones that you start to lose it in. So I was having difficulty in the lower tones. And then he asked me a lot of questions, looked at my sinuses, said everything looks great. So he feels like there's inflammation in my inner ear, and that is what's causing this whole issue. So what he suggested was an elimination diet. He wanted me to stay away from wheat and dairy. So especially cow's milk. Any other milk is really good, is fine, but particularly cow's milk. So since I'm gluten intolerant, I already stay away from wheat. I don't eat wheat at all. So for the last week, I've been dairy free. I've had goat cheese, but I haven't had any sort of cow's milk or any sort of dairy at all. I will say in the last week, I've lost like 4 pounds, and specifically in my stomach. I feel like my stomach is getting smaller just in the last week. I haven't had any dizziness or anything like that. I do feel a little bit of pressure still in the right side. But overall, I feel good. I feel fine. I don't feel any worse. You know, right before I went to see the doctor, I wasn't really having the dizziness or anything like that. So it's really kind of hard for me to truly judge, like, okay, is this what it is or whatever. So I'm going to continue to stay off dairy, see how my body feels. I feel like it kind of like has been a good thing for my plateau, because I've been on like this huge weight plateau for like 6 months. So I feel like it's been a good thing. It's kind of like kick-started things. So for right now, like I'm gonna stay dairy free. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. And it's been kind of working out. So I'll keep you guys updated on like how that's going. Another issue that I've been having is with my foot. And also around the same time I had sinus surgery, I had foot surgery, I had bunion surgery, and bunion surgery is very difficult and very painful, but it ended up being that I had a screw put in my toe once they straightened it, and I feel like that screw is just giving me a really hard time. I can't really, like, I'm having a lot of discomfort and can't really walk around comfortably for a long time without in any other shoe but like my sneakers. And you know, you can't wake up in the morning and immediately put your sneakers on and have them on 24/7. So I went to see my doctor, having a little bit of difficulty, and she suggested to take the screw out, which means another surgery. So it's something that I'm debating on timing, because I have a lot of stuff coming up. So that is something that that I'm gonna have to do. I'm not very excited about it. She gave me a cortisone shot to see if that helped, and it helped for like a day or two, and then I still just have the issue. So sometime within the next few months, I'll be having foot surgery again. So yeah, like health-wise, things have just been really, really crazy for me. I'm still, you know, sticking to my calories and still going to the gym, but I definitely feel like I've just, you know, I've been kind of getting frustrated. I think that's why I stopped my videos, is just really just getting frustrated, because it's like I felt like I was on a plateau and I felt like I wasn't going anywhere. I felt like my weight just really wasn't going anywhere. But I definitely feel like this, you know, being dairy free, I feel like it's kind of kick-started it. So that's why I'm sticking with it, and seeing if that's something that, you know, I continue to feel better and better, and you know, continue to not have dizziness or anything like that. So that is what's been going on health-wise. Workout-wise, things have been really, really good. Actually, I've kind of switched back to a push-pull leg, like push-pull leg series or workout or whatever, and done, I would say, a little bit more in the bodybuilding aspect, just because I'm doing a lot of higher reps, but I'm also upping my weight. So I'm kind of doing the combination, still doing the bench, squat, deadlift, still sticking with those three, but really just volume and strength is what I've really been working on. And honestly, like, it just feels so good. Like, I feel like I'm, you know, when I go to the gym and I do my workouts, I feel like I still have that fire, I still have that passion. So workout wise, things are going really well, and I'm really happy with the progress, and feel like my body is changing a little bit. I feel like I am getting a little bit leaner in some areas. So that's kind of workout wise, that's what I'm doing. So that is a lot of what has been going on these past 5 weeks. And I've just been MIA just because I've been dealing with everything in life, and just kind of living my life, to be perfectly honest. So yeah, I do have a lot of stuff coming up in the next few months, so I should have a lot more videos coming out. You know, I've been giving a lot of thought recently about this channel and the reasons why I started, and how it's kind of progressed over, you know, the last, I think I've been doing this for like 1.5 years now. Yeah, I think it's been like 1.5 years. And I feel like somewhere along the way I've kind of lost my intention, and I'll probably make another video to kind of talk about where I want to take this channel from here on out. But I'm not stopping it anytime soon, but definitely going to kind of change it up a little bit. So thank you guys if you stuck with me for this whole long video. I wanted to give you guys a full update of what has been going on in my life. I think from the beginning of this video until now, the sun has like really come up. I need to get going so I can go to work. But again, thank you guys so much for sticking with me, for being there, and all of that stuff. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them down below. Please give the video a thumbs up if you like the video. I definitely appreciate each and every one of you, and I will talk to you guys next time.